about the exam pattern and the exam locations of AFCAT 2021 examinations. Okay, so the AFCAT 2021 examination is going to happen on 2 dates, February 20 and 21. And before that, you should be knowing that you can apply till December 30th. December 30th is the last date. So if you have not yet started applying, please do start applying. We have already done a video on the recruitment news. Please do see that video. In that I have explained the qualification details, application procedure, everything. So you can apply till December 30th. Anyway, they have also mentioned the exam dates. It is on February 20 and 21. Okay. And also I want to tell you that in this channel we will be doing preparation classes for AFCAT, EKT, electronics. We'll be doing the important topics video, the exam preparation strategies, and also the previous year question discussions. Okay, there is a separate playlist already created in the last year itself. Okay, there is a lot of videos included in that playlist for AFCAT preparations. Okay, so for 2021 examination also we'll be doing preparation classes. Okay, so the date is February 20th and 21 is the exam date. Now let us see what all timings they have given for February 20 and 21. Okay, so there are two shifts. Okay, there is a morning shift and a afternoon shift. There is 8 a.m. shift is there. That is shift 1, and shift 2 is 12:30 p.m. Okay, so some candidates will be appearing on the forenoon session. Some candidates will be on the afternoon session. Anyway, they will be conducting the AFCAT examination and the EKT examination in this 2 days, February 20 and 21. Okay, so for the 8 a.m. batch, the reporting time is sharp 8 a.m. is the reporting time, and for the shift 2, the reporting time is 12:30 p.m. is the sharp timing, and from 8 a.m. to 9:30 p.m. there will be verifications. That is verification of your ID, your details and all, your biometrics will be taken. All the verification process will happen from 8 to 9:30. Similarly for the shift 2 also there will be verification happening. Okay. Then after the verification there will be reading of instructions, and for that 15 minutes is actually given. From 9:30 to 9:45 there will be time allotted for reading the instructions, and after that there will be AFCAT examination. That is from 9:45 a.m. to 11:45 a.m. the AFCAT examination will happen. And also for the afternoon session similarly the time slot is given and the AFCAT examination will happen, and the time duration for AFCAT examination is 2 hours. Okay, and also there will be EKT examination will be happening as shift 1 and shift 2. Okay, you can see the detailed timetable slot and everything in the notification. Okay, so the EKT examination they are mostly keeping on the afternoon session, that is from 4:30 p.m. to 5:15 p.m. Time duration is 45 minutes. Okay, so the time duration given for the EKT, that is engineering knowledge test. For the technical branch there will be an engineering knowledge test, and this examination the time duration is 45 minutes. Okay, so when you are getting your admit card you will be getting to know that which slot you are being placed. Anyway, you should know that the AFCAT examination is for a time duration of 2 hours, and the EKT, that is engineering knowledge test, is for 45 minutes. Okay, so that is the timings. That is, these are timings in which you have to report, and also the date is February 20 and February 21. And next is the exam locations. A lot of people do ask me in the comment section that whether they have exam centers or exam locations in their city or not. So here, since it is a very big examination, a lot of people will be appearing for this exam. There is more than 100 locations actually present. In every state there is multiple locations. Okay, so you can see now on the screen the exam centers or exam locations or the cities in which the examination is going to happen. Okay, so I'm pretty sure that you will be having a very near location near you for writing this examination. Okay, so that is the exam locations. Now moving on to the exam pattern. So there is 2 sessions of examinations. AFCAT exam, that is Air Force Common Admit Test exam is there, and also there is an engineering knowledge test examination. Okay, so the engineering knowledge test is actually for the technical, ground duty technical recruitment or category of recruitments. Okay, so we are going to see the exam pattern. For the AFCAT examination, the areas you have to prepare is general awareness, English, that is verbal ability, numerical ability, reasoning and military aptitude test. So this is actually a general session. You have to prepare all the general areas like aptitude, reasoning, English subject, intelligence, reasoning, all those things. Okay. So that is the AFCAT examination syllabus. We'll be doing a very detailed video on this AFCAT syllabus that will be uploaded very soon. Okay. So this is the areas you have to prepare, and the time duration for AFCAT exam, as I have said, it is 2 hours. Number of questions is 100 question, and the total mark is 300 marks. Okay. So that is the AFCAT examination. Then for the technical branches, there is a EKT examination also, Engineering Knowledge Test exam. So it is for the mechanical and electrical and electronics branch. The time duration is 45 minutes and the number of questions is 50 questions. Marking is 150 mark. Okay, so this is the time duration mark and the number of questions. And the questions will be in English medium only. Okay, so that is a medium of questions will be in English medium only. And the marking is like this. For all correct answers, you will be getting 3 marks for AFCAT exam and also for EKT examination. And there will be 1 mark deducted for the wrong answers that you are giving. Okay. And for unattempted questions, there is no marks given or taken. Okay. So that is the exam pattern. And I'm knowing that a lot of people is interested in watching the syllabus video, because I was actually receiving a lot of requests to do the detailed syllabus of this AFCAT exam and the EKT examination. So we'll be uploading a video separately for AFCAT exam syllabus and EKT examination syllabus, because a lot of people is actually interested in writing this examination, since it is one of the highly paid jobs and the vacancy is also too big. Okay, so if you are interested in watching those videos, please do mention in the comment section. Okay, so this is the exam pattern, the timings and the exam date and the exam locations. Okay, so I'm really hoping that you found this video useful. If yes, please do give it a thumbs up and also share it with your friends. And if you want more videos, please do subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.